Did you know that some vitamins seniors take every day could secretly harm your bones, liver, or heart? After 60, even common supplements can become risky if used incorrectly. Watch carefully as we reveal the 2 vitamins to avoid and 2 powerful nutrients that truly support your health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. As we grow older, our bodies change quietly, and many seniors don't realize that some vitamins they take every day can become risky after 60. What once seemed helpful can slowly turn into a problem because the liver, bones, and digestion no longer work the same way as before. This is why doctors now warn that certain vitamins can be dangerous if used the wrong way in older age. Taking supplements without understanding how they affect an aging body may increase health risks instead of improving health, especially when doses are high or taken for a long time. Number 1. Vitamin A, retinol form, is one of the most important examples seniors need to understand. Vitamin A itself plays a role in vision, immunity, and skin health, but the retinol form found in many supplements behaves differently inside the body. Retinol is fat-soluble, which means the body stores it instead of flushing out extra amounts. After 60, this becomes a concern because the liver processes nutrients more slowly. When high doses of retinol are taken regularly, it can build up in the liver over time and create toxicity without obvious warning signs at first. This buildup has been linked to weaker bones and a higher risk of fractures, which can be especially dangerous for seniors. Many older adults believe that taking more vitamin A will help their eyes or immune system, but too much retinol can quietly do the opposite. Over time, excessive intake may lead to symptoms such as joint pain, frequent dizziness, headaches, and even blurred vision. These signs are often ignored or blamed on normal aging, which makes the risk even higher. Because the effects develop slowly, seniors may not realize that a supplement is contributing to the problem. This does not mean vitamin A should be feared or completely avoided, but it does mean seniors should be careful about the form and amount they consume. A safer approach for most older adults is getting vitamin A from food rather than high-dose retinol supplements. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens provide vitamin A in the beta-carotene form, which the body converts only as needed. This natural process helps prevent excess buildup and reduces the risk of toxicity. For seniors, this balanced approach supports eye health and overall wellness without putting extra strain on the liver or bones. The key lesson here is that after 60, more is not always better. The aging body needs the right nutrients in the right form and amount. Using high-dose retinol supplements without professional guidance can increase health risks instead of offering protection. Understanding this helps seniors make safer choices and avoid hidden dangers that may affect their quality of life over time. Another supplement seniors need to be careful with is number 2, calcium, standalone, especially when it is taken alone without the right supporting nutrients. Calcium is well known for supporting bone strength, and for many years, seniors were encouraged to take it daily to protect against weak bones. However, what many people are not told is that calcium does not work properly on its own. After 60, the body's ability to place calcium in the right areas, like bones, becomes less efficient. When calcium is taken without enough vitamin D3 and vitamin K2, it may not go where it is needed most. Instead of supporting bones, excess calcium can slowly build up in soft tissues, including blood vessels and kidneys. This process, often called calcification, can quietly increase health risks over time. For seniors, this is especially important because arteries naturally become less flexible with age. When calcium settles in artery walls instead of bones, it can make blood vessels stiffer, which may affect circulation and put extra strain on the heart. Many older adults take calcium every day believing they are protecting their bones, without realizing that the supplement may be working against their overall health if taken incorrectly. Another concern is the kidneys. Excess calcium that the body cannot use properly may contribute to kidney stone formation, which can be painful and more common in older adults. These risks do not usually appear right away, which makes them harder to connect to calcium supplements. Some seniors may notice warning signs such as stomach discomfort, bloating, constipation, or unusual fatigue, but often there are no clear symptoms at all. This is why calcium taken alone can be misleading. The supplement itself is not the problem. The way it is used is. Calcium needs partners to work safely. Vitamin D3 helps the body absorb calcium from the digestive system, while vitamin K2 helps guide calcium into bones and teeth, keeping it away from arteries and soft tissues. Without these helpers, calcium may not provide the protection seniors expect. Dietary sources of calcium are often a safer option for many older adults. Foods like yogurt, leafy greens, almonds, and sesame seeds provide calcium in amounts the body can better manage. These foods also come with other nutrients that naturally support balance in the body. When calcium comes from food, it is absorbed more gently, reducing the risk of overload. This does not mean supplements are always bad, but it does mean seniors should be cautious with standalone calcium pills, especially high-dose versions. The main takeaway for seniors is awareness. Calcium can support bone health, but only when used wisely and as part of a balanced approach. Taking it alone, without understanding how it works in an aging body, can increase risks instead of reducing them. By focusing on balanced nutrition and proper combinations, seniors can protect their bones while also supporting heart and kidney health. Now let's talk about the Healthy 2 supplements that many doctors agree can truly support the body after 60 when used correctly, starting with magnesium. First, magnesium is one of the most important minerals in the human body, yet it is also one of the most commonly lacking, especially in seniors. Magnesium supports more than 300 basic body actions, including muscle movement, nerve signals, blood pressure balance, and heart rhythm. As we age, the body absorbs magnesium less efficiently, and stress, medications, and poor sleep can lower levels even more. Low magnesium can quietly show up as muscle cramps, restless legs at night, irregular heartbeat, anxiety, and poor quality sleep. Many seniors think these problems are just normal aging, but in reality, magnesium deficiency often plays a role. Getting enough magnesium helps muscles relax, supports calm nerves, and allows the body to enter deeper, more refreshing sleep. It also helps the brain work more smoothly, reducing mental tiredness and what many people call brain fog. Magnesium supports blood sugar balance and helps the heart beat steadily, which is especially important after 60 when heart rhythm issues become more common. Foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains contain magnesium, but many seniors do not eat enough of these regularly, which is why magnesium is often recommended as a gentle, supportive supplement. The second healthy supplement is omega-3, specifically the EPA and DHA forms found mainly in fatty fish. Omega-3 fats are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which is critical for aging bodies. As we grow older, low-level inflammation slowly increases and can affect the heart, joints, brain, and even vision. Omega-3 helps calm this inflammation naturally. For the heart, EPA and DHA support healthy blood flow, help maintain normal triglyceride levels, and reduce stress on blood vessels. This makes omega-3 especially helpful for seniors who want to protect their heart without harsh effects. For joints, omega-3 helps reduce stiffness and discomfort, allowing better movement and flexibility. Many seniors notice less morning stiffness when omega-3 intake is steady. Omega-3 is also deeply important for the brain. DHA is a major building block of brain cells, and studies show that regular intake is linked to slower cognitive decline with age. Seniors who get enough omega-3 often report better focus, clearer thinking, and more stable mood. Omega-3 also supports eye health, as DHA is a key part of the retina. This makes it valuable for maintaining vision as the eyes age. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent natural sources, but many people do not eat fish often enough, which is why omega-3 supplements are commonly recommended. When magnesium and omega-3 are used together as part of a balanced lifestyle, they support the body in a gentle but powerful way. Magnesium helps the body relax and recover, while omega-3 protects and nourishes vital organs. These supplements do not work by forcing the body. They work by supporting natural systems that weaken with age. This is why they are often considered two of the most beneficial daily supports for seniors who want better sleep, stronger heart health, clearer thinking, and smoother movement as they age. After understanding the risks of vitamin A, retinol, and standalone calcium, and the benefits of magnesium and omega-3, it's clear that choosing the right nutrients can make a big difference for seniors over 60. The main lesson is balance. Avoiding supplements that can overload the body while supporting it with ones that nourish vital systems. Vitamin A, when taken in high-dose retinol form, can slowly build up in the liver, increasing the risk of joint problems, dizziness, and even weaker bones. Calcium without proper support from vitamin D3 and K2 can also create hidden dangers, such as calcification in arteries or kidney stress, which often go unnoticed until they cause serious health issues. Being aware of these risks is the first step toward protecting your long-term health. On the other hand, magnesium and omega-3 are nutrients that support natural body functions gently and safely. Magnesium helps with deep sleep, reduces muscle cramps, supports nerve function, and promotes overall relaxation in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids act as natural anti-inflammatories, protecting the heart, joints, brain, and even eye health. Together, these nutrients help seniors maintain better quality of life, sharper thinking, stronger muscles, and more flexible joints. They also support healthy circulation and calm stress, which are important for overall well-being after 60. Unlike risky supplements, these nutrients work with the body's natural systems rather than forcing it, making them ideal choices for daily support. Seniors who focus on balanced supplementation and natural food sources often notice gradual improvements in energy, comfort, and clarity, including magnesium-rich foods like nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy greens can gently boost body function, while omega-3 from fatty fish, flax seeds, or high-quality supplements supports the heart, joints, and brain. Awareness of supplement combinations is also key. Taking nutrients together in safe forms prevents the risks seen with standalone high-dose vitamins. Small changes, such as replacing high-dose retinol pills with beta-carotene-rich vegetables and pairing calcium with vitamin D3 and K2, can make a noticeable difference in safety and support over time. The result is a balanced approach that promotes overall health without creating hidden dangers. Seniors can enjoy better sleep, less joint discomfort, steadier moods, and a stronger cardiovascular system simply by choosing the right supportive nutrients. Understanding which vitamins to limit and which to embrace is essential for maintaining independence and quality of life as we age. By replacing potentially harmful supplements with safer, proven options, older adults give their bodies the tools to function more efficiently and naturally. Remember, these changes do not create instant results, but over weeks and months. Supporting the body in the right way can help maintain energy, mental clarity, heart health, and joint comfort. Balanced nutrition, smart supplementation, and awareness of hidden risks empower seniors to make informed decisions for their long-term health. Always pair these choices with guidance from healthcare professionals and enjoy the confidence that comes from taking control of your well-being. With the right focus, seniors can navigate aging safely, maintain their vitality, and reduce risks from supplements that might otherwise create harm. This knowledge is your key to supporting your body in a natural, safe, and effective way every day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more senior health tips. Comment below and let us know which tip you found most useful and how you take care of your health. Stay informed, stay safe, and take small steps every day to protect your body and mind.